Yo, LDI Dave Deluxe. Yo, since this Saquan Barkley contract discussion has gotten so heated and in-depth, even before that happened, I said this is the contract he should have gotten. 3 years, $39 million, 26 guaranteed. And the reason I say that is with the franchise tag, it's like 10.1. The next year it's going to be 12, so that's 22. You throw him a little extra because he's doing extra to compensate for him and to keep him around. I figured that was a fair contract. I'm curious to know if that situation was even offered to him, because at the end of the day, now with all the different clauses they put in, it would be 13 annually with this 1 year contract he just signed. Tap in.